Today, I am talking about the role of biogas plants in nature conservation. July 28th, we celebrate World Nature Conservation Day. Biogas plants play a vital role in nature conservation by converting organic waste into clean energy, reducing methane emissions and lowering dependence on fossil fuels. They minimize landfill use, curb pollution and return nutrient-rich slurry to the soil. As a sustainable solution, biogas supports waste management and renewable energy goals, crucial steps toward a greener, healthier planet. Celebrate Earth's wonders by adopting eco-friendly habits. Every small steps counts. Thank you.